Yeah, welcome everybody. In this video, we're going to be creating this typographic poster. I'm going to be creating this typographic poster, and let's get right into it. So, start from your default. Yeah, this is what comes up, and start from your background. So, for the background, the color we're going to use has the hex code 303030303030. So this is the color. You click OK and we're good. The next thing is now to start importing your text. So for the text, I'm going to start from the text around it, not the major typographic yet. So let's just use the font Montserrat medium. Right, you click OK, reduce the size to 14. Yes, you mark it, then you increase the space between the letters and you put this at the center, middle and top. You mark it, then take it down a bit. Good. You copy that and do the same here. Okay, so this is quite easy. Yep. Once you have that, you move on to the next that says minimalistic. Good. So that's for that. Once you have that, we are good to go. Now let's get right into the major typographic. The next thing is to start importing your text. So we're going to write the first text that says font. Then the font we're going to use for it is Montserrat Black. Okay, once you have that, increase the text size to about 130. Yeah, once you have that, put it at the center, put it at the middle. Then you copy and edit this and change it to type. Put it at the middle also. Then so we're going to take font up, right? So you can just leave it here. Yes, then you copy it and change this to text. So it's a very simple poster actually. So then you bring this down here also and take it down, right? So you want to make sure that it aligns with what we have in a way. So once you have this, we're good to move, right? So you could just bring this down a bit. Okay, take it here. So just try to align this text in a way that okay, yeah. So once we have that, now we're going to create the black shape behind. So before we create the black shape, you want your grid lines to fall on the text such that you can align your shape easily, right? So that you can align your shape easily. So once we have that, now we're going to bring in our okay, now you would notice that the grid lines, let me draw a square. Now you would notice that if I pull my square like this and let's say I make it color black, I just want to show you something and take it behind, right? You notice that it cuts some part of the text while it does not cut some. So you want to make sure that it cuts every part of the text, right? Because that's the major thing that would enhance what we're doing. So increase this to 137, make sure it's at the center, or make this P and the X. So you need to take note of this place and make sure that the P and your X aligns to each other, right? So you just leave it at this, then we continue. So once you have that and you notice that it cuts across the black shape right behind, I'm going to do same for this text here. Make sure that it cuts the black shape. a black rectangle. Just make sure that it cuts it small a bit. So once we have this, then we can now take this up a bit, take the type up a bit, and take the font up also, such that it can also cut across. So once we have this and we are good to go, all you just do is merge this. Now we're not going to add these three, right? We're not going to add these three because they are part of the background, so we'll just add the remaining 4 here. So what you do is you merge all of them. Once you merge them, you now remove the color, erase color, and increase this to the highest. So once you have that, the next thing is to just add color, and you give it the color white. So now you can see we have what we created already, so you can see what it looks like, and that's all. You just go ahead and save it to your gallery, save it to phone, save it to your phone storage, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.